Hi everyone, I'm Murphy from India. Today I'm going to show you 3 usual tools for refrigerator repairing. They are pie cutter and reamer, and the last one is the welding gun. Such as for this chiller, the gas nozzle is broken. So if you want to charge the refrigerant, you need to change a new gas nozzle. How should we make it? There are 3 steps. First, cut the pie with the pie cutter. The cutting is finished like this. Second, use the reamer to expand the copper pie to bell mouth. Now I'm making bell mouth. Okay. Third, use this welding gun to weld this gas nozzle into this copper pie. Let's begin. Finish. Hope this video can help you. If you want to know more about how to fix a chiller, hit the like and subscribe the button now.